Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. So in this video we're going to analyze Cardano, ADAUSDT. We're going to look at what possibilities do we have for the Cardano, what setups are forming and what we have missed in the previous week. So without any further delay, let's get right into it. So for analysis we are going to use TradingView. So right now I'm on TradingView at weekly time frame, and as I have discussed in my previous video that Cardano is in a downtrend, and what should we expect when coin is in a downtrend. In a downtrend we're going to make impulses towards the downsides and corrections towards the upside, and you are going to have maximum profit when you follow the impulse, when you follow the trend. So the trend on Cardano is bearish. We are going to move towards the downside, and that's what I have predicted in my previous videos, that Cardano is going to go down. Recently we were consolidating. If you can see my video on TradingView, recently we were consolidating inside these two zones, but I have predicted that there is a high probability that we are going to go down based on the structure, and in the previous week we have break the structure towards the downside and we have made a reasonable move towards the downside. What happened and how I predicted this move, let's get to a low time frame and analyze it over there. So right now I'm on a daily time frame, and as I have discussed in the previous video that market was unable to break from these two zones. Market came down, got rejected from this zone, move up, got rejected from this price area, then it was consolidating inside these two zones. Once it tried to break towards the downside and on 13 July of this year, but wasn't able to break the structure and went back up. It got rejected, it keeps continuing getting rejected and stayed inside the zone for a long period of time, but recently it managed to break towards the downside. The structure was clear, the price action structure was clear, and it was showing me that there is a high probability that we are going to go towards the downside, and that's exactly what happened. Market moved towards the downside, it break the zone, but our ultimate level where we can say yes, we are going to continue the bearish trend on a bigger time frame with big moves is 0.4000-ish price level. That's where, that is the low, or that is the lowest value that we have touched recently on a weekly time frame. So the market break towards the downside and we are moving towards the downside. What we can expect from Cardano at the moment, to analyze that, let's go to a lower time frame, 4-hour time frame, where things are even clear. So on a 4-hour time frame, market got rejected from 0.4820-ish price level and we continued towards the downside. We again got rejected from the support from the lower zone and we move up, but wasn't able to continue the journey towards the upside, and we broke the zone. As soon as we broke the zone, we were ready to look for confirmation to see the continuation of the bearish trend, and as soon as market started moving towards the downside, it broke the recent low. We have the confirmation that we are going to go towards the downside, and that's what happened. Market break towards the downside, it moved a little bit towards the downside, and right now we are on our journey to touch the 0.40 price area. So that's what we should expect from Cardano. Yes, there is a possibility that we can that market is not symmetrical. It is not going to follow a straight line that I'm going to go and touch this price area, so I'm going to go and draw this line. Like, market is not going to move like this straightforward. It is going to be unsymmetrical, like this, then moved up, then moved down, then make a big move towards the upside, then slowly it will reach our target. But the ultimate goal is 0.4 price level. That's where we are headed, and that's what the trend is telling, that's what the market is telling us, and this is what the price action is representing. So at the moment we are going towards the downside. We have these signals, this price structure in the previous week, we followed that, and the market is going towards the 0.40ish price area, and that's our price expectation for the upcoming week. And that's it for Cardano. If you get any value out of the video, and if you have missed the previous video, I would definitely recommend you go watch previous videos. It has ton of values inside, and if you get any value from this video, make sure you'll hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for wonderful content that is coming soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video with another pair.